Welcome back, everybody. Joe Everest, the fence expert. If you've watched any of my other review videos, you know what you're in for. Jeremy picks out videos from the YouTube universe that he thinks that I'd like to react to or review. Reviews typically have a positive spin. We all know how many negative reviews are out there in YouTube land, and I'd like to change that. So without further ado, here we go. This is Joe Everest, the fence expert. My family's been perfecting their way of building fence for over 60 years, 3 generations. While there's more than one way to build a fence, I'm here to share with you our way. So this video is called Introducing the Revolutionary New Fencemate Durapost. Now, Durapost was one of the products that came up quite a bit in the UK fencing video, that that the concrete posts were heavy, that they are prone to splitting over the years, that the rebar inside could rust and blow the post. Time and time again, the product that was brought up in the comments was Durapost. So Jeremy went out and found a great video here, like I said, talking about Fencemate by Durapost. Let's see what this thing's about.
When we need a structure that is strong, impressive and beautiful, we turn to steel. It's simple, elegant and iconic.
Now keep in mind, so this video might be from the manufacturers of the Durapost. We are not paid by Durapost. This is not sponsored content, even though the video is starting to sound like a sales pitch.
Steel is made from the Earth's natural resources. It is inherently strong, enduring, and endlessly recyclable. If you want to put up a beautiful wooden fence and protect it from the elements, why look elsewhere? Everybody knows that sooner or later wooden posts will rot, crack and warp, while concrete can chip, crack and even snap. But at last there's a solution. Introducing the new Fencemate Durapost. Durapost is made from a cold roll galvanized steel.
So first impressions, it almost reminds me of like a railroad rail. Thick flange at the bottom, thinner flange at top. Looks like it comes in a variety of colors too, which is nice.
So it combines beauty with durability. According to independent testing at the Building Research Establishment, Fencemate Durapost can withstand winds of up to 70 miles an hour.
You know, so this is starting to sound a lot like the Postmaster posts that we use here in the States. Looks like it's got a flange to attach the cross runners 2x4s to. I believe the Postmaster, I'd have to go back and double check, but I believe the Postmaster posts are wind load rated for 73 miles an hour. So it sounds like these are pretty much, very similar products.
And when it comes to the ease of installation, there's no comparison. Durapost is up to 80% lighter than concrete. That makes it much easier to transport, install and adjust.
So it looks like they're using some sort of maybe composite board there as the gravel board rather than a concrete board, which is an interesting thought. It's going to be lighter. It's probably still going to have the benefits that a concrete gravel board would, in that it gets the wood panel up off the ground, away from rot, and gives it a little bit more support.
Fencemate Durapost is versatile enough to work with any style of fencing, and it comes in a range of colours. Fencemate Durapost system includes post caps and a lightweight composite gravel board. Every component is built to last. They will never rot, warp or crack.
Yeah, so here, like I said, here in the States we have a product called the Postmaster post. There's others. There's the Lifetime post, the Gregory post. You know, there's other posts similar to the Postmaster post, but this really seems, with the exception of the small flange on the back side of the post, this really seems almost identical to that product. This is like the maybe like the UK's version of that Postmaster post.
If you want a fencing system that is quick to install, that looks great and will last for years, the new Fencemate Durapost is the answer.
You know, guys, I think it looks like a great product. I really do. Glad you guys brought it up in the comments on the UK video that we did, the D&J Projects video, review video we did a little while back. Looks like a great product. Like I said, it looks very similar to the Postmaster Post that we're currently using here in the States. And like I said, there's others. That's not the only one. It just happens to be the one we use. But yeah, so it's a light post, incredibly strong. It's flanged. It has holes throughout the post or throughout those flanges that you can attach your 2x4s to. The one benefit, too, of the Postmaster Post is it can be covered on both sides with pickets, so that way the post really disappears. If you guys want to learn more about the Postmaster Post, I did a video quite a while ago. We'll link it up here somewhere. But for now, guys, Joe Everest, the fence expert, and I'm reminding you that good fences make good neighbors. We'll see you next time.